How to remove effects on Instagram Reels. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, all you need to do is tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen over here, and as you tap on it, you can simply select on the reel section. So you'll have different options from photo, a story to post, live and reel. So we're going to just tap on the reel option. So let's tap on the plus icon over here. So it's not working right now, so let me just launch Instagram again and repeat the process. So let's tap on the plus icon, select on the reel section at the bottom, and I'm going to select a particular reel over here. So let me select a reel. As you select on the reel, you can see this 3-star icon at the bottom of the screen. So tap on it and you'll be able to see the different effects. So if, for example, I have this effect and I have toggled on this effect over here, and I just don't want to keep the effect anymore now. So if you want to remove the filter or effect, simply what you can do is tap on the option of no effect at the top of the screen. So tap on no effect, and this way you can remove effects on Instagram Reels. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.